Alright guys, welcome to my channel, Dad's Tech and Tools. If you're new here, which you probably are because I'm just getting this thing started, I'm just a dad who's into tech and tools. I do some 3D printing, and that's what this video is about today. I'm looking for a self-watering planter. Let's see here. I like to use Maker World just because it's easy with the P2S that I have, and I have an A1 also. Let's see here. What do we got? Let's see. What do we got here? That's nice. The design kind of looks like a speaker, what you would see on a speaker cover. Let's go back here. Look for something different. Once I find something, I'm just going to print it out and let you guys see it. Here, what do we have here? Let's see. Alright. I think I'm going to do one of these small ones. These look pretty neat. I like the design. Yeah, looks good. Let's see what the inside looks like here. They have some different shapes. I think I'll do the small one. Let's download and open this here. Let me sync up my P2S here. And I don't want that to be green. I want it to be black. Alright, what do we got going on here? Alright, I did something wrong. Plate 2. Insert. Oh, I see. Let me try something here. It's giving me one spot that's black. I don't know why. There we go. Alright. Whoa. Alright, so we'll print the outer part first and then the other part. Let's see how long it's going to take for the main part. About 2.5 hours. And the second plate, about 1 hour and 12 minutes. Alright, so we'll do that. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.